This is the elevator at Eberly Hall / the old former alumni hall at the University of Pittsburgh in Oakland, Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania. I don't know what this was originally, but sadly it was modernized with Monitor TR fixtures. Case fire elevators are out of service. Oh, these are some, yeah, these are Monitor TR. Go down to sub-basement. Well, these are some sort of monitor. I think they're TR though, but I could be wrong. They're vandal resistant. Here we go down. Goes from 1 to the sub-basement. That's interesting. Whoa. I have no idea what this was originally, but it was definitely modernized. You're at the sub-basement, even though there's no basement. Are you going up the elevator?
Yeah.
All right. 3. What floor are you going to?
2, thank you.
2, you're welcome. You're welcome. I'm assuming Lynn's elevator service modernized this elevator on home, although I'm not 100% sure. Here are 3. This may have been an Otis originally, judging by that motor, but I could be totally wrong on that. This is obviously a science building. We'll go back down to 1. ADA phone door. When you press the button, there's your cabinet. Monitor fixtures. I think they're TR. Pretty basic cab. I'll look it up when I get back. I think this may be a snap cab, but I could be wrong about that. These are vandal resistant lantern. This looks like a fairly recent mod. Here I got 1. I believe on the sub-basement is the tunnel to the Chevron Science Center. Yeah, that Chevron, the Chevron Science Center, they have some Westies in it. Everything were modded. That closes and that's going to be it.